Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Welcome to my channel again. Okay, from now I want to explain about something. But before I want to introduce myself. My name is Imam Khairuddin. You can call me Imam. My ID number is 73. I am the student of Trinidad Madura. My faculty is the agriculture, and my department is agribusiness. And my class is E class, especially in Trinidad Madura. Okay, likely I want to explain or discuss about something and a good something, especially analysis of chicken farmer for 40 days. But before I explain about it, I want to let's see the profile of it from now. Okay, please check it out.
Mr. Subahari is an entrepreneur in the field of animal husbandry. This business is managed by Mr. Subahari, who is 40 years old. The location is on Jalan Plak Village, Fagantanan District Pamekasan. Bapak Subahari established the lipstick business in 2015 with 2 workers. But in 2018, it has started to develop, and there are also more chicken and 1 more workers. So that Mr. Subahari has become the largest livestock, especially in entrepreneur in my village.
Okay, likely I want to explain the analysis of chicken farmer for 3 days. But there is six categories. The first is financial management accounting, and the second is financial management funding, and the third is production management, and the fourth is marketing management, and the fifth is information system and technology, and the last is risk management. Okay, from the first is financial management accounting. In financial management accounting have some categories. The first is fixed cost, and the second is variable cost, and the third is total of capitals, and third is receptions, total collections, and the fourth is R3 or ratio, receipt totals, and the next advantage, and last is debts. And we need to consider that the total of capitals of financial management accounting is 40 millions, and the profit is 40 million. So it means that the profit of the financial management accounting. Okay, the next is financial management funding. Financial management funding have 4 categories funding. The first is sourcing of capital come from private funds, and the second is source of initial capitals is obtained by privately owned asset in the form of livestock, and the third is source of capital during the production process are obtained from financial institution, and the fourth is or the last is debt financing come from sales profits. Okay, for the next is production management. For production management have 4 categories. The first is production, which chicken, calf, chicken feed, And the second is location, away from the crowd and located in the village of Falakpak, Kendaraan Pamekasan. And the third is decide the layouts, check and section between the eggs of chicken. And the last is production exploitation control 5 times a day, especially for day. And the next is marketing management. Marketing management have three categories. The first is chicken is marketed directly to consumer who have ordered it in advance. And the second is chicken meat is distributed by means of consumer who come to the production site. And the last is when the chicken is grown, chicken is directly marketed to the chicken market. And the next is information system and technology. In technology, the farmers of it using the digital information because to find new information about products marketing. And the second is and also check out of town or in town marketing. Okay, the next is or the last is risk management. In risk management have two risk management. The first is chicken manually and accepting the deaths of chicken before harvest. And the second is crowd also cause stress and also crop failure. It means that.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much for you all. The last from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.